If you're looking for a great ice maker, this countertop ice maker will be it for you. It gets 9 ice cubes ready every 6 minutes, so it's going to keep a steady flow coming through. It's nice, it's portable, it's about the same sound as a fridge. I'll play it for you in a moment so you get an idea, and it can run for a long time. It does come with the scooper I showed you, and it's pretty cool how it does everything. It's also got self-cleaning if you hold the power button down for 5 seconds. Isn't that so satisfying? This ice maker's great. I definitely do recommend it. A few things to note. If the ice is in the tray for a while, it may melt from time to time, but remember it's going to continue to make a new supply. So you may want to go ahead and use that ice up as it comes out, but most of it will stay frozen. It's just time to time it will go through and melt in that tray. Get a good idea of how everything looks. There's a fan on the side that will blow out the heat, and you can see the internals here. I think this is awesome that it's portable, and for ice, it's pretty awesome. I'm glad I have one.